Hello, good morning. It is Saturday, October 29th. We've been back from the honeymoon for a few days now. I look a hot mess. I literally just rolled out of bed about 4.5 minutes ago. And one thing that's been on my mind is we gotta unbox these gifts over here. We've been waiting until after the wedding to do it. Not because of the excitement of opening them, because we already know what they are because they came from our registry, but just because we have so much stuff here that we already own, like pans and pots and kitchen stuff, and so we want to open it all at the same time and get rid of all the stuff in the kitchen we no longer need, and I'm gonna do a Goodwill run and drop that stuff off. So that's what we're gonna do. How do you feel about gifts?
Feel good about it. It's nice to have new things. It's nice that people got us so much stuff. We got way more than I thought we would.
We realize that we're really lucky because we do have friends who are older, right? Oh, look, it's terrible. I'm putting it up in the ceiling like this. We have friends that are older, and so they can afford to get us things, and we have family members and things like that who got us some real nice stuff. So anyways, that's what we're doing. Okay, bye. We got a rice cooker. We got a kitchen strainer, sink strainer. We got a popcorn machine. We got a toaster oven. We got a cast We got a cast iron pan. And then we got a wok set. We got a food processor. I'm super excited for this one. I'm gonna make my jollof rice finally. We got a 4 bread toaster. Got some baskets. Maybe for some toilet paper or something. We got towels in the house. I was really excited to get towels because he did have a lot of towels too. But I was like, sir, some of those towels are real hoard. And so I put a bunch of towels on the registry. So
Man towels.
they were man towels. I was just telling him just now that I need soft towels to wrap my babies, and I can't have those hard scratchy towels, those red ones. So we got a Rachel Ray bake set. Shout out to Rachel Ray. I don't know her personally, but I do know that we got a set of pots that you had from before, I think, and they were the best set of pots and pans I ever used in my life, and they were Rachel Ray. So I have very high hopes for this stuff. The UPS man is coming here to drop us one more thing for us. Will you see me? Thank you, UPS man. One last thing! We've been getting deliveries here though, like almost every other day for a while. This feels like a towel! Yeah, I know they're gonna be poorly packaged, and I think my succulents might have died, and they're itty bitty.